Welcome. Our topic in this review questions is all about the Book 1 of LTOM, 2nd edition, specifically in Section 24, the legal basis for the bonding of local treasurers and other LGU accountable officers, Section 25, the guidelines on bonding of local treasurers and accountable officers, and Section 26, the schedule of cash accountability and the corresponding bonds. Number 1. What is the purpose of Treasury Circular No. February 2009 and the revised Treasury Orders 01-95 and 01-99 regarding the bonding of accountable officers? A. To regulate the bonding of local treasurers and other LGU accountable officers. B. To provide guidelines for the issuance of Treasury bond security. C. To establish the qualifications for bonded officers. D. To amend the provisions of the public bonding law. Answer, letter A. Treasury Circular No. 02, 2009 and the revised Treasury Orders 01-95 and 01-99 are issued by the Bureau of the Treasury to regulate the bonding of local treasurers and other LGU accountable officers. These regulations provide guidelines and requirements for the effective bonding of these officers in accordance with the provisions of the public bonding law. Number 2, what is the public bonding law? A. A law governing the issuance of Treasury bond security. B. A law regulating the bonding of all local Treasury personnel. C. A law requiring the bonding of accountable officers. D. A law establishing the Bureau of the Treasury. Answer, letter C. The public bonding law is a law that requires the bonding of accountable officers. It sets forth the legal basis for ensuring that accountable officers, such as local treasurers and other LGU officers, have adequate bonds in place to guarantee the faithful performance of their duties and responsibilities. Number 3, what is the minimum total cash accountability for an officer to be bonded? A. 1,000 pesos. B. 3,000 pesos. C. 5,000 pesos. D. 7,000 pesos. Answer, letter C. Every accountable officer whose total cash accountability is not less than 5,000 pesos must be bonded. Number 4, how soon from appointment date should heads of agencies notify the Treasurer of the Philippines about the appointment of any accountable public officer to a bondable position? A. Within 3 days. B. Within 5 days. C. Within 7 days. D. Within 10 days. Answer, letter B. The heads of agencies should notify the Treasurer of the Philippines within 5 days from such appointment, lawful accession, or separation. Number 5, who is deemed a bondable officer? A. Any government employee who is holding managerial and supervisory positions. B. Any government employee in possession of funds or properties for which he/she is accountable. C. Any government employee whose position requires exercising major decisions. D. Any government employee whose position belongs to the Office of Treasury. Answer, letter B. The LTOM states that any officer, agent, or employee of the government of the Philippines or of the companies or corporations of which the majority of the stock is held by the national government, who possesses, custodies or controls funds or properties for which he is accountable, is deemed a bondable officer. Number 6, what happens if the documents for the bonding application are found to be in order? A. The bond is immediately issued. B. The bond premium is assessed and payment is authorized. C. The applicant is rewarded. D. The applicant is advised to wait for final approval within 5 working days. Answer, letter B. If the documents are complete and in order, the applicable bond premium is assessed and an authority to accept payment is issued to the applicant. Number 7, where should the payment for the bond be made? A. Directly to the Bureau of the Treasury. B. Directly to the BLGF Regional Office, Cash Division. C. To the Authorized Government Depository Bank in the account of Bureau of Treasury. D. To the Authorized Government Depository Bank in the account of BLGF Regional Office. Answer, letter C. The LTOM states that payment of bond should be made to the Authorized Government Depository Bank where the Treasurer of the Philippines has a deposit account. Number 8, who is responsible for checking if the applicant for a bond is a safe and conservative risk? A. The Bureau of the Treasury. B. The agency of the applicant. C. The Authorized Government Depository Bank. D. The Treasurer of the Philippines. Answer, letter A. The Bureau of the Treasury District or Provincial Office is responsible for verification of various aspects of the bonding application, including if the applicant is a safe and conservative risk in accordance with Section 320 of the Philippine Bonding Law. Number 9, what is the maximum individual accountability for each accountable public officer? A. 10,000 pesos. B. 100,000 pesos. C. 1 million pesos. D. 100 million pesos. Answer, letter D. The maximum individual accountability for each accountable public officer shall not exceed 100 million pesos. Number 10, what is the minimum rate of premium for the Fidelity Bond? A. 1.5% of the amount of bond. B. 150 pesos. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above. Answer, letter B. The rate of premium for the Fidelity Bond is equal to 1.5% of the amount of bond, but it should not be less than 150 pesos. For more videos like this, like and subscribe. You may comment your questions and clarifications below.